our meeting today came up with the following resolutions. Southeast governors and leaders reinstated the adoption of a common joint security outfit called Ebubago, with her regional headquarters here in Enugu State, and of course capital of the state. Ebubago will work with police and other security agencies in her operations to protect lives and properties in Southeast. The meeting is in support of restructuring, which is the burning issue in the nation. And so the Southeast leaders and governors are in support, and the setting up of police, state police, and of course other national issues as discussed in our last NEC. We have set up a common committee under Ohanaeze to work out acceptable modalities, which will be forwarding to NEC as demanded by NEC in our last meeting.